how to share your Amazon Prime with family. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can share your Amazon Prime account with your family. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Assuming that you have already signed up for Amazon Prime and that now you want to share the membership with one of your family members or maybe up to 4 of your children. The first thing you have to do is definitely open up a web browser, go to Amazon website in your country, sign into your account. Click on accounts and list to the top right of the search bar, then click on the button that is your Prime membership, and on that specific page you will find the option that says share your Prime benefits. So just tap on that one, and once you do so you will see this kind of interface basically, and over here you just have to select the option that says invite someone now. Once you go to the option called invite someone now, enter the name and email address of the person you would like to share your Prime account with, and next you will have to authorize the person you're sharing your benefits with to use a payment card linked to your Prime account, and this lets each adult within the Amazon household copy payment details to the other's payment options, and it won't affect your payment settings at all. On the other side of things, the invitee will receive an email similar to the one shown right over here. They will have 14 days to accept the invitation and can cancel their existing Prime membership if they already have one. Then you will also see an invitation confirmation and more information about the shareable benefits, which you can see right over here. And that's all it takes to share your Amazon Prime with family. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.